It's hard to be, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel, with you I feel something. 'Cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games.
Take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Never learn to rise above these clouds. Stuck in the dust of the life that you found, with nowhere to go, no higher ground. Even if you never found before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound. You're earthbound. was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast, went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms. I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Still got your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. A past relationship was a disaster, but now I don't care. 'Cause you took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. I used to be afraid until I met you. I was insecure, caught up in the pain, but you showed me how to heal. Took my scars, bruises and broken heart, numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore. Numbed all the pain, show me how to heal, and now I don't feel broken anymore.
Saw you paint a picture of your face. If I wasn't even close to my I know I shouldn't be lost, but it's so hard in this environment. And how can you stay But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Having 8 and 7.
嗨，大家，我是 Anna。我们每周都会收到路友的讯息，询问我们露营装备的问题。现在开始，每个月的第1周会有入坑指南的影片，分享我们新入手或是觉得很好用的装备，也会带大家去逛一些很棒的露营店，看看不同的店家有什么不一样的宝贝。这次要跟大家分享的第1样装备是来自拓信良品代理的日本品牌 Mine 2代收纳箱滑轨，安装简单，勾上去就完事。耐重箱拿东西都需要掀盖，很不方便。安装滑轨后，拿东西就不需要再掀起整个盖子，箱子上的东西也不用移来移去，滑轨滑动很顺畅，不卡卡，回推有挡片，不怕推过头。再搭配 folding table 折叠桌，就多了3个桌面可以使用，只需要挂上去，抬起来就安装完成。桌面都有开槽，挂东西很方便。桌面永远不嫌多，随手都有位置能放东西，挂在箱子上也不影响盖子。如果你也使用耐重箱，很值得入手。露营最长时间就是坐着，好坐的椅子太重要了。这是来自韩国的 Polaris S1 Low 4段折叠露营椅，600D 的牛津布，稍微防泼水，好清洁，4段位快速调整，想要坐挺一点或半躺休息都没问题。加宽木质扶手，能吊挂餐具，椅背有收纳袋和织袋放小东西，很方便。折叠起来就是扁扁一包，携带方便。如果你在找高背又好看的折叠椅，这张还不错哦。接着看到的是热火不入最新推出的保冰桶，去年就跟老板敲碗，黑色的保冰桶真的就出了。老板有听到消费者的声音，这颗是24.5公升的容量，2个人很够用了，装满食材，女生1只手拿也不吃力，可提可背，方便携行。24公升的无印风收纳箱，它有一体成型的双侧手把，上盖看起来轻薄，垂直叠放也是没问题，装一些日常用品很方便。银柱战术收纳包有 M 号和 L 号，M 号长65公分，L 号长100公分，实侧收纳4到6只银柱都很轻松，双头拉链拉哪一个方向都方便，2条战术织带可吊挂可手提，帮他准备个家，方便又好看，价格实惠又好用。桌子是已经用很久的地狱式式，有增加了一些新配件，像是这个能当层架的网桌，要当桌面使用或是层架收纳都很方便。4边留口能接灯柱或是层板，同时还能接2.5单位延伸桌，2.5单位的大小可随心所欲的放置需要的配件。这里配置的是1单位的折叠炉架，加0.5单位的置物盒，加1单位的沥水篮。铁件的桌面确实是比较重，但换来的就是稳定性。地狱式的桌子是我们用过最稳的桌子之一。如果喜欢多功能、多变化又稳定还好看的桌子，入手吧。最后要看到的是先德曼的蒸锅套组，包含3.2公升的汤锅，锅径21.7公分的蒸网层和2个蒸管层，看得到食材的钢化玻璃锅盖，叠起来一次能煮3菜1汤，超方便。拆下耐热矽胶圈就能堆叠收纳，魔鬼毡双拉链收纳袋取放更方便。资讯栏有各种商品折扣优惠，有需要就带走吧。